So now we start the actual repairs from the damaged that I caused yesterday. This one, the roll pin is missing, and it was in here kind of cockeyed and bent, and we'll use the press to straighten that out. These had a fair amount of old damage on them anyway that I'm going to clean up and straighten these out. This tooth, this flail here, actually outside tooth is bent, or inside tooth is bent, and it catches a little bit there. It's not supposed to. It's supposed to be able to sling all the way around. So I'm gonna, some of these have keepers on them, some of them don't, but I'm gonna try and take all these out and clean them all up, put them back. So we'll see what we can figure out. Those two still need a little adjustment. I've finished getting all the flails cleaned up and bolted back in, new roll pins, and I made this new output flail guard. It's just 1¼ by 1/8 inch flat bar I had laying around. I cut off the old really small weak tines and I oriented these in a direction which makes them extremely hard to bend with the output, and I've checked the clearances, just holding it in place up here with the tines as it rotates. Got it all the way back together, and the engine is stone cold. We're gonna fire it up and see if we tear it up again this time. Works a lot better. Still not clogged up, although it does hit just a tiny bit, especially on low speed, because of all the slop in this pin mount. So as long as this pin is pulled this way, it doesn't rattle, but if you let the slack off, it starts hitting just a little bit and rattling. So I need to either pull it out and shave some off, or find a way to keep this pin tight to the outside.